Hi, thanks for watching another episode of Marion TV. Today we'll be talking about how to assemble our Big Foot Trac II system. Now the Big Foot Trac II system is very similar to our Bullfrog Trac II system, the only difference being that you're receiving fresnos instead of bull floats. The fresnos are available in 4 foot, 5 foot, and 6 foot widths, and in this situation today we're going to be assembling the 4-footer. Now with your system you're going to receive 2 boxes. Box number 1 is going to contain your mechanism and your ropes. Box number 2 is going to contain your divider bars and your fresnos. Alright, now once you unbox the system, what I generally recommend doing is assembling the mechanism first. With the system, you're going to receive 2 1/4-inch aluminum bars and you're going to receive 1 1/2-inch aluminum bar. The 1/4-inch aluminum bars are for the outside of the frame and the 1/2 inch is for the inside or the center of the mechanism. So what I generally do is space these bars out or space these mechanisms out about 30 inches before you start assembling. You'll notice that right here in all 4 corners of the inside of this 1/2 inch bar, there is a 1/4-20 bolt. This 1/4-20 bolt just needs to be hand loosened. Alright, so once you've taken those bolts out, I like to tilt the system down. It gives you just a little bit better entry angle for these bars. You're just going to want to go ahead and tighten those on, get the spacing just right so that both of those bolts fit in. And then you'll take a 7/16 inch nut driver and just snug those down so that the lock washer seats. That'll do it for that outside one. Then for the insiders, I'm going to pop out the pins and the clips. And you'll go ahead and place that center bar in there. Put the pin in. And then clip them on each end. And then we'll go ahead and repeat the attaching the outer bar to this other side as the last step in assembling the framework. Alright, once you've removed all the wing nuts, you're going to want to make sure that those bolts are pressed in together. That'll provide you the amount of space that you need to be able to get the feet up over the fresnos. Now what I like to do is position the fresnos in front of the mechanism, and then I'm going to lift this up and place it over the top of the fresnos. Now you will notice that we put some guide marks on there just to help it so that you can get the thing properly centered. Alright, once you've put the mechanism on the fresno, you're going to want to push the bolts through the pre-drilled holes in the feet of the mechanism and then reattach the wing nuts. There's 4 wing nuts per foot, and you're just going to want to go around and evenly tighten each wing nut with enough tension on it that it provides a nice tight seat. Alright, we're almost there. Now that you've got the top mechanism connected to your fresnos, you have the solid connection that you need to be able to get the system to tilt in the proper direction as it's being pulled across the slab. The last step is the easiest step. That's attaching our ropes. At the end of the ropes that you receive, there's going to be a snap clip. Those are just going to go into the eye bolts at all 4 corners of the mechanism, and now you're connected to the guy pulling the system across the slab. Well, that's all we have for assembling the system. If you have any questions about assembly, please feel free to call us at 1-800-930-9062. Thanks for watching Marion TV.